Hydraulic press model number NOBE 39. This particular press is designed for punching holes for exhaust cores that goes inside aircraft exhaust mufflers. It's electrical driven and hydraulic powered. It's self-contained, has its own reservoir, motor, pump, solenoid valve. This unit will work in the manual mode or the automatic mode. This particular unit is rated at approximately 40 tons. We're looking at the hydraulic reservoir. Here's the oil sight gauge, the oil fill cap. This is the pump housing, and the motor. Looking at the back of the unit now. Here you'll see two proximity switches, and these control the stroke of the cylinder in the automatic or manual cycle. We're looking at the back side of the tooling. The starter box. Regardless of whether you form or punch in the manual mode or the automatic mode, you must use the palm buttons. So always two hands are occupied. This is the control box. PLC in this control box that will control all the functions electrically for the manual or automatic mode. Here we're looking at some set screws at the end here. Now see, those set screws right there determine the amount you insert the tube into the mandrel. This will be explained in the service manual in detail with a detailed drawing. What we've done right here is we've got this little pattern here where we mark the tube so we know how to rotate it, because we're rotating the tube by hand. And as he rotates it around, you'll see all these little holes there. Well, in the center of those lines, we'll just put a little black mark on there, and that'll help us to locate it on. So when we rotate it, the holes will be evenly spaced around the tube. He's going to turn the machine on right now. And then he's going to insert the tube all the way till it hits the back, wherever we set the distance in the back there. And this eyeballs the holes and lines it up. Hits the two palm buttons. Line that he had. Hit the two palm buttons again. Then he'll rotate it again. Punch. Rotate it again. Punch. Rotate it one more time. Punch the holes again. Tube. And you can see all the holes that have been punched on there. Pretty quick operation, and they're very accurate. Very important to remember is that when you punch these holes, these little slugs go on the inside of the mandrel. So you should get an air hose and blow those out before you... Another note here, this unit can be operated manually, and even though it's operated manually, it still takes two hands to do it. So the operator never will put one of his hands in there during the operation while moving it with one hand. So what he has to do is he has to hit the switch up on the control panel and the palm button simultaneously. That way you can move it up or down. But always takes two hands, not just one hand. Whether it's going up or down, that noise that you hear there is just one of the dies that's very tight on the top punch clamp. Another product designed and built by AMH. Thank you.